Complex carbohydrates are found in foods like whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits. Unlike simple carbs, they are made up of longer chains of sugar molecules, which take more time for your body to break down. Complex carbs digest slowly, providing a gradual release of glucose into your bloodstream. This slow digestion helps to avoid sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, making it easier to manage diabetes. Foods high in complex carbs are often rich in fiber. Fiber not only aids in digestion but also helps regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar. This means a more consistent energy level throughout the day. Complex carbs come packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Offer more than just energy, they support overall health. Because complex carbs take longer to digest, they help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. This can prevent overeating and help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for diabetes management. Examples of complex carbohydrates: whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread and oats, vegetables, sweet potatoes, broccoli, carrots and leafy greens, legumes, lentils, chickpeas and black beans, fruits, apples, berries, and pears. Tips for including complex carbs in your diet. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries. Choose whole grain bread for your sandwiches. Add a variety of vegetables to your meals. Snack on hummus with carrot sticks. Remember, balancing complex carbs with proteins and healthy fats is key. This combination helps further stabilize your blood sugar levels and provides a well-rounded, satisfying meal. Choosing complex carbohydrates is a smart and effective way to manage diabetes and maintain steady blood sugar levels. Make these nutritious foods a regular part of your diet and enjoy the benefits of sustained energy and better health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more health tips. Comment below with your favorite complex carbohydrate meals.